This is a demo of my Amazon app. Um, First, I started by creating the database on MySQL. I'll demonstrate it here instead of MySQL Workbench just because it's already nice and neatly displayed on Amazon. On my Amazon Seeds file here in Microsoft Viz. Anyways, started by creating a database called Amazon. Create it. We'll drop it at the beginning, just to, just to clear data there. We'll use the data, and I put the various items and whatnot from the instructions: item ID, product name, department name, parameter, price, stock quantity, and then I just inserted 10 various random auto parts that I looked up on a particular auto accessories website that I like, and then I'm just going to select from that products database table that I created right there for that info. So that's basically the MySQL portion of it. And then to go to the JavaScript portion, just to demo what's going on there, obviously required a couple of different npm packages there. One was MySQL, the other one was Inquirer. I was going to include a console .table one, which is a neat little npm package that parses your data into a table right away. But I had already formatted my table data in such a way that I didn't really need to use it. So I commented it out, but it's still there, just sort of lingering. And then this is my connection to my SQL database that I just showed you guys a little second ago. And that's how we connect right here. And when we're connecting, I'm also going to run this function called show all products, which initially goes down here and it shows, the various items that I just showed you from my SQL database. Um, for example, it's got the item ID, it's got the price, the quantity. I stringified it a little bit just so it'd come back as readable info. Then I console log that out, and I initially, and then I call the product info function, which really brings you right back to the inquire. It's the very beginning. We want to list the items before we ask the person be asked the user to enter their info. So list the item because they can't enter the items if they don't know the item numbers. So we list the items first, then it calls up this product info and it does the inquire function of like what item would you like from the list that's showing would you like to buy, and then it asks you how many units of this product you would like to buy. So you enter those, and depending on your response, if you enter nothing or a number that doesn't make sense, you'll get an error response saying, hey, it validates, says you got to select a valid item from the products list. And then it goes back and shows you all the products right there by calling that function again. And then after that, if you do enter something and it is in stock, it'll say your product is in stock and it'll place your order right away. It'll immediately update the inventory and it'll tell you that your order has been placed and it'll do a little price checking comparison and tell you how much your item cost, and it'll tell you thank you for shopping with us, and then it's going to send you all the way over to the keep shopping function, which is down here, and it's another inquirer prompt, and it asks if you want to keep shopping. If you do so, if you do want to, it's going to go back to the show all products page and give you a list of the items again, and you'll be able to pick that out. And if not, it'll just connect them, say thank you for shopping with Amazon, and bye bye. And that's about it for the code angle of it. Let's go ahead and demo it in action, actually. Let me go ahead and open this guy in terminal right here. So we go right here. And I should, just to be sure, I'm going to list my modules there. Okay. And I'm going to open up with Node, Amazon customer.js, and I run that. And then it's going to list all my items that I put in from my database right here. So then it's asking me right down here, what is the item ID of the product I would like to buy? So I look through my items and I go, let's go with this one, Firestone 19876. So I'll go right here, 19876. Enter that. How many units of this product would I like to buy? Let's buy 3 of those suckers. So then it tells me, okay, my product is in stock. It's placing my order. And then the order has been placed. It tells me how much my total is. And then it tells me shopping with us. Thank you for shopping with us. And so afterwards it asks me, would I like to keep shopping? I go, sure, why not? Let's keep shopping. So then it gives me a list of my items again. And so let's say I want to go with any stupid item. I'll just put some 0. And I put 0. Oh, it lists the items, but look, there is an error message right there. So it's telling me that I need to select a valid item from the product. So it shows you the item list again. So come on, dude, don't be a jerk. Go ahead and select the right item. So then I go, let's select 54761. Yes, that's legit. Would you like how many? Let's buy 6 of them. Okay, sorry, item's not in stock to place an order. Please change my order. Your item was a Magnaflow and it has 5 left in stock. Okay, so let's do that again. We want 54761, and now let's buy 5 of them. Oh, and now told me that I did it wrong, but I said no apparently, and it says thank you for shopping at Amazon. It would have looped back and forth to do that, but that's basically the video demo. I will try it for yourself. Download it, download or clone my repo, and have at it. Have fun and hit npm install, and you should be able to toy with this app. Thanks very much.